I'm about to do another baking while baked video, but this time I'm making a strawberry cake with cream cheese, and I got my, well, should I even say that right now? Okay, so I got my Piff disposable. This one's the Smarties one. I'm about to get baked. Hasn't even been used before. Ah. Woo! Fire! I'm about to start assembling this cake. I've got 2 boxes, so I have to double everything.
Video you making a cake?
Bruh, yeah, baked while baking.
Girl, hell no! Shut the door! Hell no!
Fuck off.
I never know. This girl said bacon while baking. You're one of those that get really high, don't you?
I'm stoned.
Yeah, you just get really high, that's what it is. Fuck, it's hotter than steak. Balls in this bitch.
Yeah, this is a lot of cake.
What? Not necessarily. Only person that survived that plane crash out of like 140 something people. Bro, I ain't eating the crusty little pussy. Why did you let her do this?
I made Fruity Pebbles last time. That shit was fire.
Stuck to the bottom of the pan. Just seen it. Definitely seen it. You've got both of those in that, and look how much you've got.
Gosh.
Yeah. See what I tell you. What I tell you. Huh? I ain't no honky bitch. Anyways, and you should probably wait for that to cool off. That way it doesn't melt all over the place.
Yeah, I figured that out last time, but I didn't do it this time.
Then maybe you should stop and wait for it to cool off. About. Sounds good.
Oh, I forgot to spray it.
Spraying it now is not going to do anything. I'm just going to flip it over and we're going to start again. You just ripped it in half. Oh my lord. Did you witness this? Did you see what happened? I did too. That shit's funny as hell.
Yeah. Yep. It's pretty good. Here, try it. So I already took off my lashes. Don't look at them. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll be making more cakes in the future because I think I have a new thing for baking. I've been enjoying it. I really want to make the cinnamon toast crunch cake, and I think that's going to be the next one.